All right, welcome back again for another unboxing. I just got some new prints in from Bay Photo. Let's see what we have in here. So we're just going to go ahead and open that up. Nice packing. You got some packing material, and then the whole order invoice and order number, all this information. A couple of different little trinkets in here too. But anyway, this one is a fine art print done on Epson cold press bright white paper, and this is of my Moody Forest series. So everything comes in packed really nice. Corners are way away from the edges of the box of where it's going to be, so you don't have to worry about these getting crinkled or anything like that. And then it comes in all taped in just like this, right onto a piece of cardboard, and everything looks perfect on here. No issues so far. Let me grab a knife and we'll open this up, see what these look like. Where are my knives? Haha, there we go. All right, I got my knife. So I do use a utility knife to cut the tape off of here just so it doesn't rip anything. I stay far enough away from the print itself just to make sure I don't accidentally cut into the paper, because that would be pretty tragic. Just like so. And then I should be able to get these off without really just lowering the risk of bending my prints at all here. So these are of my Moody Forest series, and we have more tape on here. See, I'm kind of ripping this plastic to get this tape off of here, but just like that, okay? These are different than my photo luster paper prints that I get. Those ones, they're nice, super deep color, really nice and everything. But these ones are a little bit more special to me, with some new edits I'm working on and just how this works. So these I did on Epson cold press bright white photo rag paper, and the detail is just absolutely incredible. This one is called The Lookout, and it's of one of the Fox and the Fox Dens that we had this spring, Moody Forest series. The colors look absolutely phenomenal, and printing on a paper like this really just brings out so much more detail. It's worth the extra cost. A few more in here of my Moody Forest series. I have another one here called Wanderers of the Mist, and that one, these are all individually wrapped, it looks like. So two 12 by 18s that I did with a white border around the outside just to give it a little bit more character. Again, on the Epson cold press bright white photo rag paper. Just some younger, not younger, I don't even know how old they are, but the bull elk from Evergreen, just part of Moody Forest. So we're gonna keep that into my little paper here, and into this plastic sleeve for that one, just to keep these a little bit more protected. And I have some frames that these will end up going in. And I also did just a different series, same series, just a different size. And these ones are of, again, Moody Forest, this one, and I'm gonna leave these in the paper, or the plastic for now, just because that, so there might be a little bit of glare. But there is, this one's called Den Companions. Again, of the little fox pups that were in our neighborhood. And yeah, again, same paper, it's just a little bit smaller size. Another one here, and wow, this one is got some really cool colors. This one's just of a trail and close to my house, just hiking on. And this one is Ghosts in the Meadow, and it's another really cool little print, just edited in the Moody Forest style. And yeah, the colors, this is a very high contrast, almost like monochromatic style looking photo, just because it was so dark at the end of the day when we were hiking through there. So anyway, that's it. This is how your photos, if you just get a print on a fine art paper like this is how this would come in, nice and protected. Nothing was damaged at all in this print. This was shipped via UPS and just absolutely fantastic. So check out my art and let me know if you are interested in getting a print like this.